Hi students, yesterday we have discussed some exercise problems. How rational numbers represent in decimal. Today we can do another question. Find an irrational number between 1/7 and 2/7. In the previous class, we have already find out 1/7 is equal to 0.142857. Then today we have to find out two rational numbers 1/7 and 2/7. We have to find out an irrational number between 1/7 and 2/7. Then 1/7 is here given 0.142857. Without calculating, we can find 2/7. That is 2 into 0.142857. That is 14287 into 2. This is repeating. Then answer is 0.285714. So repeating. Between these 2 points, we can find out infinite number of irrational numbers. Then we can write another number 0.142957. Another one 0.142967, like that. Infinite number of irrational numbers we can write between 1/7 and 2/7. Understand? Then we can do another question. I will read the question. You know that 1/7 is equal to 0.142857. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7 without actually doing the long division? See, the previous question we have already done. 1/7 is equal to 0.142857. Then we have to find out 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7 without the long division method. So first we have done 1/7 this one. Then 2/7 is equal to 2 into 0.142857. In the same way, we can find out 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. Understand? Then what is 3/7? 3/7 is 3 into 0.142857. And then 4/7 is equal to 4 into 0.142857. 5/7 is equal to 5 into 0.142857. And 6/7 is equal to 6 into 0.142857. Understand? Okay, next question is express 0.99 in the form P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? What you see? See, express 0.99 in the form P by Q. Do you know how to solve this question? Yesterday we have already done. See, x is equal to 0.999. We can call this one equation number 1. Then what do? You multiply it by 10. So equation number 1 into 10, that is 10x is equal to 9.99. Okay. Consider this as second equation. Then what do? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 10x minus x. 9x is equal to 9.99 minus 0.99. That is 9. 9x is equal to 9. Then we can find out the value of x. 9 by 9. What is it? 1. Then our question is x is equal to 0.99. Then what we get? X is equal to 1. Is it correct? See, there is a difference. X is equal to 0.99. Here x is equal to 1. See, say number line. This is 0 and this is 1. This 0.9999 is lying near to 1. That is very close to 1. 0.99 is very close to 1. By this equation, by this question, we can verify that 0.99 is lying very close to 1. Understand? Okay, we can do another question. Classify the numbers rational or irrational. Some numbers are written here. We have to classify rational or irrational. The first one, root 23. So root 23 is a prime number. So root 23 is an irrational number. Irrational number. Next one, square root of 225. 225, square root of 225 is 15. So it is a rational number. Understand? So 7.478, this is also a rational number. Then 1.101001 like that. This one is repeating and not recurring. So it is irrational number. Okay. So today we can wind up. Thank you.